Divas. So shout outs to Vipvyong. They was nice enough to sponsor this video. So I'm going to be showing you ladies how to watercolor on dark hair. So I'm just going to jump right into the specs of the wig and show you guys how to do this tutorial. So when you do get your package, it do come packaged like this. And inside the box, you do have your wig. And they also provided some wig caps, which is great in this color because some companies be providing black wig caps. Your wig do come in this little Ziploc bag. And this is a 10-inch straight bob. It do have some tissue paper inside as well as a hairnet over the wig. Now this wig is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. You do have a comb in the nape area as well as some adjustable straps. You do have 2 combs on the side as well as a comb in the crown area. I will be removing this comb because this comb tends to stank on my braids whenever I take the wig off and on. Now this is how, hopefully you guys can see this. This is how the frontal is looking. The wig did come with a natural parting. I'm running my hands through the wig and I'm not receiving any shedding. These are the ends of the hair. They look nice and full. Now it do say that this wig is pre-plucked, but as of course you guys can always go in and customize it to your liking. So I'm going to be showing you guys the items that you need to watercolor this wig. You're going to need some gloves, the color of your choice. I am using ginger and truly red. So far I do like using the Adore colors. They colors do not bleed whenever I do the watercolor method. So this is why I normally stick to Adore. But if you guys know any other hair dyes that are really great for watercoloring, please drop it in the comment section. And last but not least, you're gonna need some box dye. This is in the color 396 in luminous blonde, and this is the Dark and Lovely brand. So when you open up the box, you do get your cream developer, you get your color, you get your conditioner, and you also get a fade resistant highlight booster. This particular packet is new because I never seen this one in the box, and I did use this color years ago when I bleached my hair. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work. I'm just gonna mix everything and I'm just going to apply it. I do have one box. Hopefully that be enough because this is just 10 inches. So I'm just gonna get started. so this is the final result of how the wig turned out. I really do love the color. I feel like the camera is not picking up the true color, so I'm just gonna insert a video clip somewhere on the screen so you ladies can actually see how the color turned out. Now, as y'all can see in the video, I did go in and pour some 20 developer in the bottle because after looking at the bottle, I did feel like I wasn't gonna have enough hair dye, so I was like, let me just add a little bit more developer just to stretch it a little bit. And I'm glad that I did it, because if I didn't, I probably would have ran out. But I also feel like I could have let the hair dye sit in the hair longer. When I did film the first part of the video, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't want to fall asleep and the wig end up over processing. So after I finished dyeing the wig didn't feel stringy. It did take dye and color very well. So as I did mention before, this is Vipvyong here off of Amazon. They are very affordable. This 10-inch bob only retails under $52. So if you ladies are looking for some affordable wigs, definitely check out this company. I will leave all of the information down below in the description box so you ladies can go and check it out. After using the box dye on this wig, I didn't receive any shedding, any tangle, any matting. So that is always a plus. When I received the wig, it wasn't no bad smell. Now, I noticed like when you go in and you shampoo and condition the wig before wearing it, I feel like the hair feels way better. But after I used the box dye, I did go in with the Shimmer and Light shampoo just to remove like any type of brassy undertones that the wig may had after me using the box dye. And I did go in and condition the hair with the conditioner that came in the box dye as well. Now, normally when I do all of my watercolor methods, I always let my wigs sit in the water overnight. I really don't have to do it, but I just feel like the color, the wig, I feel like the hair picks up more of the color if I do that. So that's just my own personal reasons why I let the wig sit in the water overnight. But for some reason the dye didn't tint the lace at all, and I was really shocked because that hair was sitting overnight for at least 8 hours, 6 hours. So I was really shocked that the lace did not tint. And I'm glad it didn't tint, because it would have been super hard trying to blend it well with my scalp. So normally I use an elastic band to hold like lace frontal wigs down, because I don't use any tape, any glue to apply my lace wigs. I normally just put them on, and when I get home I snatch them off. So for me not to have an elastic band, I feel like this wig is very secured on my head. I did go in and adjust the straps in the back. And like I said, if you ladies are looking for some affordable wigs, go over to Amazon and check out Vipvyong here. But I hope you ladies found this little tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up. It do help my channel out a lot. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of girl. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.